One, two, three, funky.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay. Good morning. It's currently 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock in the morning, and we are almost there. I think it's gonna take another like 20 to 30 minutes, and it's a beautiful morning. Also cold. That's why I'm wearing the hood and my mask. Surprisingly, I slept with the mask. I don't know why I did that. And my mom was not giving me the blanket all night, which is kind of annoying. And I should have worn my shoes because my feet were also feeling cold. Let me show you the view. Yeah, I reached. There are a lot of students going to college and all that, and they're all looking at me, which is kind of weird. My hair is tangled. Hi, Mame. That's my uncle, my mom's brother, elder brother. Mama. I'll see you at the house. This is my native house. Very fancy, I know. This is Ajji. Hi, Anna. Hi, ho. And this is my mom's mom. This is mommy. Oh, there's one more mummy. I don't know where that mummy is. YouTube vlog. ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತಿ ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿ ಚಪಾತಿನೂ ಮಾಡು
ಚಪಾತಿ ಮದ್ದಿನ
ಓಕೆ to drink milk, but I saw my aunt and grandma doing something crazy for you guys. It's normal for me. Boiler ಅಂತಾರ ಬಿದ್ದಿ ನಾನು ಬಿಡಾತೀನಿ ಅಂದ right. So they still use it as a heating mechanism for heating water, and I have this, so I'm gonna light it up with fire. Light it up. And my eyes are burning because of all this. That's the boiler. My nose is dying. I think there's a cricket somewhere. I think I should do right hand. Wow, I'm still scared. I don't know why I'm being scared. I used to always play with this when I was a kid. There we go. ಏನು ಮಾಡತ್ತಿ ಏನು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತಿ ಏನ ಬುಟ್ಟ nice. Came off inside house, it seems. What's up? It's going inside house and all, man.
A few moments later.
Hi. I'm sitting somewhere where I could connect my laptop. It's just 12. The day is so long, it's not getting over. I thought it was some 3, and I'm like, when do we eat lunch? Surprisingly, I've got a lot of work done, but I have to finish this editing today, and my mom's gone out. I feel like everyone leaves me when we come to native, and they're like, Pooja, do whatever you want, but we are gonna slightly scoot and do whatever we want. Bye. We're going out, and we're going to get bisleta. But it's too much. Where are we going? Patar Angadi. Gold store and silver store. Mix. I wanted a plain ring for my thumb, so we're gonna go give size and all. Ayyo. Hudugaita. Right. Came to this store, and uncle is going to make the ring for us. Right, mummy? one more patarang. Hi.
Nani.
ಈ ಫೋನ್ ಹಚ್ಚಲ್ಲ
Hi.
ಬಾತ್
Hello.
ಫೋನ್ ಹಚ್ಚಲ್ಲ
Coconuts. Gold and silver will look nice though.
ಎರಡು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು
Well, both rings look nice. Should I get a stud? Yeah, I thought I'll get this in my second piercing. I'm not sure though. So apparently we're nice. Everyone's talking.
ಇವು ಕೊಂಡಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚೈನ್ ಪಣ್ಯರ್ಲು
So wherever my aunt goes, it's her place, man. So she'll just like take it and go. It's all yours. And then if you don't, you can come give it back later. So cool. And I bought some things. So today is day 2 in my native, and we are going to this famous shop here called Hazare. Hi Vaishalyaka. It's never been that vlog before. My uncle's waiting for me to get ready because I woke up late. No, I woke up early. I was just lying in the bed watching K-drama. Off to Hazare. Everyone's looking at me. I'm vibrant. We're going triples. Raja, what's up? Vaishalya, what's up? Okay, I'll log the road part now. And we are here. And we have this giant elephant. And we're inside. Met a baby. Hi! I'm gonna give this sticker to him. I think he likes it. I took it from my phone and gave. Oh! I know I came for shopping, but I think I spent past 20 minutes playing with that kid. Did you buy the Paithani series?
No.
Ta-da! Boy! Like how we came to the shop to buy me a new dress to wear tomorrow. No, not tomorrow, on Wednesday. And I didn't find anything that I liked. And so my mom's buying clothes for every relative she knows so that she can give them a gift. And I'm tired. This random kid, I don't know who she is, but she's there. And I've bribed her saying I'll give her chocolate. And both of us are eating chocolate right now. Yarada. Hi. It's the same day. And I bought this new hoodie. Right, yes. And that's what I'm showing, that I got a new hoodie. And I also got a new ring. This. For now we are going to some Ajji's house to visit with my Ajji and my mom. That's my mom's mask. Very corona protective. But apparently there's like no COVID at all in my native, according to the stats told by my relatives. So no one wears a mask here. But you should always still wear your mask. So please don't forget to wear your masks and go out. This one got injured because some two bad people came and dashed it with a bike. Oh, papa man. This one's the mom. It's protecting all the other kids. Okay, there's only one kid. But yeah, so she's just barking at all the bikes that are going. I feel like my native gets weirder every time. There's a camel and all here, man. My mom's getting mehendi done from a girl who's younger than me. Talented. Aishwarya Rai. Mommy, hi.
Hi.
Oh, nice. My turn to get mehendi, but only for one hand. Both Rachu and I, nice, are eating Maggie. This is our dinner date. Rachu, how is the Maggie? Maggie hengite? Chalo aite? Chalo aite? Nice. Good morning. Good morning. Oh, this is how the mehendi turned out to be. Oh wait, how? It's the mehendi in the light. It looks pretty nice. So my morning started off with washing this off with the bathroom scrub, which I didn't know it was, but that's okay, no problem. I've washed and sanitized my hand twice. And we have Rachu here. And I'm... Yenatu?
Painting my phone.
Yeah, she said she's painting, but I'm teaching her how to draw butterflies. Kodile? Kod. Kod. Drew this blue color butterfly for her, which doesn't look like a butterfly, and then she drew this line over it, and that annoyed me. So I did this to her butterfly, and then she just scribbled more over it. So I don't think she actually cared enough.
And the chicken.
Chicken?
Yes.
Which is chicken?
This chicken egg.
Chicken egg? Huh?
Yes.
Nice. Chicken egg it seems. Either?
You got in boom.
Boom boom car.
Yes.
Nice. Though it looks like more of a helmet, but okay. Ida?
Hi.
So Manohar kid it seems. Nice. Hi. Back to vlogging after so long. We went to Hazari yesterday, but I couldn't find anything. Everything was very jagama jatra types. So we don't want that. Simple and sober is the key for life. We're going to my it's just lemon. Lemon it is. Lemon egg flavor. Yedaka. Here. Huh? Baya? Lemon egg flavor.
ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಕಾಲ ಜಾದು
Oh, like you do a chappal. But we wear the chappal again.
ಚಪ್ಪಲ್ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ನಾನು
Scam. Veena aunty shop you want now? Mummy, Veena aunty ne ಏನು ಹಾಕರು? Veena aunty ನಿಂಗೆ aunty ಹಾಕರು?
ನನಗೆ
So Veena aunty is my mom's aunty.
ಸಿಸ್ಟರ್
My mom's cousin sister, so we're going to her shop and seeing some clothes. I made a pit stop to a stationery shop because this auntie wanted some kundan and things to decorate. This auntie wanted some kundan and things for the decoration for tomorrow's function, I think. And this one's sitting on me. Hi, Ann.
Hi.
Right. ಯಾರದ
Yeah.
ನೀ ಅದ Right. I think after this we'll go to the clothes shop and I want to eat a chocolate, so I'm gonna buy a chocolate. Ningu chocolate ಬೇಕು? Huh? Alright. It's so nice how everyone trusts everyone here. The shopkeepers like just take everything, use what I want and just give it back later and you can pay according to that. Do we see such trust anywhere else? No. Oh, she also got mehendi. She wants to show. Mehendi torsu? Ika hinda. Nice. Such tiny hands. So this uncle got everyone onion bhaji. That's Pawan. Pawan. Having a kanta bhaji each man. And everyone is a mood here.
ತಿಂದು ಬಿಡು ಆಗ್ತಾವ
ನಂಗೆ ಬೇಡ Vanika's turn for mehendi. Vanika, hi. The rest of them are having a feast.
ಫೋಟೋ ತೆಗಿ
No, so much food. And surprisingly, I don't eat any of the food that is made, and I didn't want to eat whole day, so
ಸೊ ಯು ಡಿಡ್
so I ate like very different kind of food. Just okay.
Mexican?
Huh?
Mexican?
Mexican? No, yeah, full Chinese, Japanese, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಲ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂದೀನಿ. They're making this giant garland. Yeah, for the god that will come later. I think they're gonna add these also. Maybe some 10 kgs, man. We all dress to go give the garland to the god. Everyone's praying to the garland and taking pictures. Everyone's taking it's always this loud. It's always this loud. Group photo. Yeah. But then vlog nahi. Hi. He's my cousin brother. Small cousin brother. From my mom's cousin brother's son. Something like that. Some relation like that, man. Right. Ooh, I'll show you outfit. Hold on.
Cause
I'm doing aesthetic vlogs. Don't interrupt like that.